前回のビデオでは Future Perfect Tense 少し勉強しましたね。こんにちは皆さん、今 VTuber です。今日は Future Perfect Tense の使い方について勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. Now, let's take a look at the difference between future simple and future perfect tense. Well, future simple is will plus base verb. We have learned about the future simple, and we have also learned about the future perfect. Now, what are the differences? For future simple, it's will plus base verb. It talks about general future actions or decisions. It focuses on what will happen. The time clauses will be tomorrow, later, next week, in 2026. For future perfect is will have plus past participle, which is verb 3. It focuses on actions that will be completed before a time in the future. It focuses on what will have been complete. So the time clauses will be by 9 p.m. before the show by next year. Now let's take a look at the examples. For future simple, I will watch the new K-drama tomorrow. Future perfect will be I will have watched 10 episodes by Saturday. I will help you with your science project. She will have finished hers by then. Now, let's take a look at the future perfect structure. Affirmative is subject plus will have plus verb 3. I will have finished the game by midnight. Negative is subject plus will not have plus verb 3. I won't have studied enough before the exam starts. Question is will plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Will you have packed your suitcase by tomorrow morning? WH word is WH word plus will plus subject plus have plus verb 3. What will you have done before the concert starts? Since we learned about the future perfect tense, now it's time for quiz time. Day, dinner by the time we arrive. The answer is will have eaten. They will have eaten dinner by the time we arrive. By 10 p.m., my cat all the treats again. The answer is will have eaten. By 10 p.m., my cat will have eaten all the treats again. By the time the live stream ends, she for 3 hours. The answer is will have streamed. By the time the live stream ends, she will have streamed for 3 hours. Day, the costume, before the cosplay event ends. The answer is will have prepared. They will have prepared the costume before the cosplay event ends. Now, the last question is he to the party if he finishes homework in time. The answer is will go. He will go to the party if he finishes homework in time. This uses the future simple tense because it focuses on the future but not the action that will be completed in the future. Okay, that's all for today. Future perfect tense もっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ楽しみしてくださいね。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。